Selenium, Java, sorry, the Java and Eclipse?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, everyone, do you have any still questions or any doubts in configuring this setup?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah, think every day it is the same process, right? You have to come to the folder. Yeah, you have to come to this folder, Eclipse, then open the Eclipse application, right? You open the Eclipse application, same workspace, the same workspace, right? Launch. Okay, so what did we learn yesterday? I think we have understood what are data types
Yes, sir.
and variables, right? Yeah. So what are the different data types in Java?
Int.
Char. Char means we can store only one single character, no? Yeah, string to store multiple characters, right?
Yes, sir.
Boolean, right? To store true or false, Boolean value.
Float.
Then float, comma double, right? To store some decimal values, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so like that we have different data types: int, char, string, Boolean, double. Yeah, like that. In the next we understood variables. So variables are for what purpose? To store a value in the memory, right? Memory during the runtime. Yeah. So how to declare a variable?
Data type, variable name.
We have to tell data type, space, variable name, right? Yeah, like this only we write. Like for example, int x comma y. But now x comma y are two integer variables, right? Yeah, like that string str. But str is a string variable.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so like this we are storing variables, like data type and then variable name. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The next, we said Java library has. Yeah, Java library has. Oh, has packages.
Classes.
Yeah, package has
Class.
Method.
classes and class has
Method.
methods, right? Yeah. Okay, example we have seen yesterday, some existing classes like math. Math is a class. And what else? It has a method. POW is a method, right? Yeah, which will take two numbers, yes or not? Yeah, in this, what is math? Math
Class,
is class and POW is
method.
Like that, we have taken some string. String also a class having methods. We have seen, right, yesterday some methods. Length is a method. Yeah, like that caret is a method. Yeah, which will ask me the position, right? Which will ask me the position, right? Which position character you want.
Yes.
We have to tell, right, which position character we want. Like that substring, right? Substring is taking two arguments, right? From which character to how many characters, right? Like that two uppercase.
Two uppercase.
Two lowercase.
Uppercase.
Uppercase, so which will convert into uppercase. Like that, there is some function what we call, yeah, we said, index of, right? Okay, like that, index of, we will give some, whatever, the string. It will tell which position, the characters are there in the string. If it is there, it will give the position. If it is not there, it will give -1. Yeah, let us see what are the examples we did yesterday. I think these are the functions we did, right? Replace, to replace one character with another word, right? Anything, ma, we can replace one character or we can replace a word with another word, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Contains will check, right, whether the string contains this word or not. If it is there, it will give me the, what you call, true. If it is not there, it is false. Like that, to check or to get the position, right? Position of a given character or word. Yeah, if I say, for example, I want to know which position the character is there. str.indexOf. Yeah, there is a method called indexOf, right? So indexOf is asking me some arguments. For example, if I give an argument of r, okay, it will give me the position where r is there. But r is there in which position? 0, 0, 1, right? First position it is there, right? Then r is at which position, ma?
First position.
First position. Remember, it will give only the first occurrence. Say r is at 1, right? First position. It will give me the first occurrence. Okay. If it is there, it is okay. If it is not there, what it will give?
Minus.
Will give the position. If not found, will return -1. So if that word is not there, it will give -1. Okay. Yeah, like that, we have some string is a class, and these are all methods of a string class, right? All of you? Okay. Yeah, so till here, any questions, ma? What we learned till yesterday? The string class, some methods, and how to set up this Eclipse, Java. Is it okay, all of you? Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Sir, index of string lo we have programming 2 R's is there, na sir? Why it will take only one position? Why not it will take another R?
No, indexOf will give me only the first occurrence position.
Okay.
First occurrence position. If you want second occurrence position, we need to write a loop or we need to write a logic.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Now we are able to write some program. Yeah. So we are able to write some program and we are able to execute, right? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. We are able to write a program and we are able to execute. But suppose, in the middle, if you want to do any check any condition, here I want to check some condition. So what is that? I want to check some condition. So if the condition is satisfied, what to do? Or if it is not satisfied, what to do? So I want to tell if the condition is satisfied, what to do? Yeah, else what to do? Okay, so if you want to check any condition, then we have an if conditional statement. So what is that? If condition statement. So if always, what it will do if the condition is true, what it will do if the condition is false, what to do, right?
Yes.
So if is a what you call in a decision statement, right? Decision means always will give either true or false, right? That means if the condition is satisfied, true. If the condition is satisfied, if the condition is satisfied, it is true. Not satisfied, it is false, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is what a decision statement, right? If the condition is satisfied, what to do? Not satisfied, what to do, right? Okay.
Okay.
Just a second. The if condition, what it will do always, it's a decision statement, right? Which will give true or false. If the condition is satisfied, it is true. Otherwise, it is false,
False.
right? Yeah. But even say, even in the programming, right? Even when developers do coding, if you say, for example, you want to withdraw amount from the ATM. For example, you wanted to withdraw, what you call, money from ATM. So what kind of transaction they will do? If your PIN number is valid, right? What is the condition? If PIN is valid, so it will continue, right?
Yes.
Else, it will display error message, right? Invalid PIN number, like that.
Yes.
Yeah, if PIN is valid, then again it will ask for amount, right? You have to enter the amount.
PIN number.
Then again there is an if condition, right? Emma, if amount what you enter, if it is less than the balance amount, right?
Yes.
Balance, then it will allow you to do that. Else it will display error message, right? Insufficient funds, like that.
Yes.
Emma, it will display error message, right? Insufficient funds, like that. Yes or not?
Yes.
So if you take any application, there is an if condition written. If PIN number is valid, what to do? Else display the error message. If it is correct, then again, if amount is available balance, you ask to withdraw. Else display insufficient funds, like that. There is a programming written, right? Yes or not?
Yes.
So here there is an if condition, what they will write. Like that, like that, anything. If, for example, there is a, what you call sales. For example, if a customer total amount purchased is greater than, if total is greater than, let's say, for example, 10,000, give, let's say, for example, 5% discount. Okay, else no discount. Else no discount. So what is the logic written? If condition only, right? If total is greater than 10,000, then total is minus 5% discount, right? Total minus 5% discount, customer have to pay. Else customer have to pay the entire amount, ma? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you see in all this kind of programming, there is an if condition written.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose you are logging into Facebook also. If you are logging into Facebook, login into any website, right? Like example, like Facebook. So if you are giving valid user ID password, if user ID and password are valid, if user ID password are valid, what to do? Else what to do? Like that only they have written the coding, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So any comparison we want to do, always we have to use if condition only, right?
Yes, sir.
Any comparison, right? Any comparison we have to do. So any comparison, right? Comparison, right? Any comparison. So we have to use
Condition.
if condition. Yeah. Any comparison you want to do, you have to use if condition. So in comparison, what we do, we use something like equal to, something greater than, so greater than, equal to, less than, so less than or equal to, yes or not equal to. Comparison, right? Yeah. No, I said here double equal to. Remember, observe here. What did I write? Double equal. Yeah, here always single equal to is assignment operator. Double equal to, right? Double equal to is comparison operator.
Comparison.
Yeah, that means if I say x equal to 5 means what is that we are doing? This is
Assigning value.
Assignment.
yeah. So this is assignment operator. Yeah, all of you. This is assign. This is compare, right? Yeah, this is assign and this is compare. Yeah, if x equal to 5 means we are assigning. But if I say x, equal to 5 means
Comparison.
comparing x is 5 or not, right? Checking x is 5 or not, like that condition we are checking. So double equal to is comparison, single equal to is assignment. Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like this we can write if condition. So if is used for any condition checking. So in condition checking, we can use greater than, less than or equal to, not equal to, this type of operators. So single equal to is assignment, double equal to is Comparison, right? Comparison operator. Okay, so let us try some small examples here. Yeah, I want you to take a number. Yeah, I want to take one number and display whether it is even number or odd number. Yeah, how do you check ma even number or odd number? Tell me how to write a new program. Mere cheppan navigation, how to write a new class.
X comma Y, we have to
First,
assign
a
value.
new
Create a class. You
Class.
create a
new class.
class name.
So class name. So class name, can I give even odd?
Yes.
Yes.
Even odd is the class name. Yeah, I have to select this public static void main. Right? Yeah, align the program properly. Yeah, so now tell me, I want to take one number and display whether it is even number or odd number. So what is that? The question is, for given number, display it is even or odd. Tell me how many numbers I'm giving?
Two numbers. One.
Two
One
now.
number. One
Where is
number.
two? Only I said given number, right?
Only one.
One number.
One.
One number you have to take and display whether it is even or odd. So one number means how many variables?
One
One
variable.
variable.
One variable. And the number means what is the data type?
Integer.
Integer.
Int X.
Integer. Oh, that means one number integer. So I need int.
X.
Int. Can I take one variable n?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Can I assign some value? N equal to some value. Now, how do you check the condition? Oh, so
If-
one second. One second. Yeah, 1 second. I have to tell you the syntax, right? How to write an if condition, first of all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if condition, how do you write?
If condition statement.
Yeah. So if condition, we write like this. Yeah. So this is a syntax of if condition. If some condition, that means if the condition is satisfied, it will execute this statement. That means if it is true, it will execute these statements. Okay. Then see, this is a simple if condition, all of you. Yeah, please, everyone, this is a simple if condition. If the condition is true, what to do? Whereas this is if else condition. If the condition is true, what to do? Else what to do? Yeah, so this is a if else condition, right?
Yes.
Everyone, this is a simple if condition, right? If the condition is true, what to do? This is if the condition is true, what to do, else what to do, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now this is if else if condition. If condition is true, what to do? Else if this is a condition, else if this is a condition, else if this is a condition. Okay, you can have n number of else if conditions. You can have n number of else if conditions. If no if is satisfied, then else what to do? Okay, right?
Okay. Okay. Sir.
So these are the three different syntax of if conditions. No? So this is the first one, right? A simple if condition. This is if else condition. This is if else if condition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can say, right? For example, your father may be telling you, if you get first class marks, if you get first class marks, I wanted to buy a bike for you. Else no bike. Yeah, this is simple if, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, another thing. Okay, do one thing. If you are getting distinction marks, I'll buy a car for you. Else if at least if you get at least, right? If
Class.
you get distinction, then your university first car is purchased. Okay, if you get first class marks, okay, bike is purchased. If some else if something some else thing is purchased, some other some watch or something purchased, else if you get, I will purchase this. If nothing is there, then I'll fail, then don't do no purchase, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So like that, at least if this is what, at least this is, at least this is, at least this is. If nothing, then what to do, right? Yeah. So if every if is like at least this is not satisfied, at least this is satisfied, right? Like
Okay.
that. Yeah. So the syntax is understood by all of you, how the if different if statement syntaxes?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, yeah. So to check that n is a even or odd. How do you know that even or odd?
N percentage to
If you divide with 2 and remainder means which operator here? Remainder means percentage, right?
Percentage.
Percentage.
Yeah, we have seen yesterday the percentage will give remainder, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can write if condition, right? If
If
n
N
percentage,
n percentage
Two.
2,
then comparison double equal to, right?
0.
Yeah, if it is equal to 0 means then you are displaying what you call
Even
System dot output print.
yeah, n is
even number.
number. Else
Else
N is
Sir, else not.
n is
n is
number.
odd. Then yes, sir.
Okay, so when you run what it is saying, n is
Odd number.
odd number. Or n is even like that. But see, in the output, what it is displaying, whatever we write in the double quotes, exactly, it is displaying same, right? Then it is exactly displaying the same. But no, I want to display n is 15, right? I want to display 15 is odd. Then instead of n, I want to display 15 is odd.
15.
That means you remember, right, yesterday, variables we should not keep in double quotes, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so that means n I should keep here outside the double quotes. Yeah, so now n is a variable. Yeah, listen, n is a variable. E is odd number is a constant, right?
Yes, sir.
Emma, we want to display this together. That means we need to join them, right? Say n is a variable, E is odd is a double quote some
Double
constant.
quotes. Yes.
Yeah, we need to join them. So for joining also we use plus. So plus is used for joining also. Now what it will display, n is odd number.
15
Yeah,
is
here
odd.
also n plus. Will display, remove this n from the brackets, right? N is even like this. So now run this program, what it is displaying. Yeah, 15 is odd number. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now like that, if you take for example some other number, okay, you take for example 18. Now what it should say, 18 is
Even.
18 is even, right? Like that. So variable we have to write outside double quotes plus joining also, right? Joining we write like this. Okay. So this is a simple if condition, right? Okay. Now you tell me some example. I want to take 3 numbers, or okay, I want to take age of 3 people. I want to take age of 3 people and display who is the eldest person. I want to take age of 3 people and I want to display who is the eldest person.
Int XYZ, sir.
Eldest person, right? So I have to take 3 ages, right?
Yes.
Yes, I have to take age of 3 people, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the age of 3 people? 3 ages. Age means what is the data type?
Integer.
Age equals to
Int
age
age,
equals to
age 1, age 2,
age 3.
age 3, right? 3
Yes.
ages.
If
Okay, then I will take 3 people, names of 3 people also.
Yes.
Yeah, name of 3 people. My age 1 is for first person, age 2 is for second person, age 3 is for third person. Names means what is the data type you take? String, right? Yes or not?
Yes.
Yeah, string, what is that I will take? N1, N2, N3, right? Second, my age 1, N1, age 2, N2, age 3, N3, right?
Okay.
Yeah, can we assign the values directly here also? If we assign directly, what is the name of the first person? Ravi. Name of the second person?
Ramu.
Huh?
Ramu, sir.
Raju.
Okay. Name of third person. Some names, right? Yeah. Okay, age also you can assign, right, directly. Yeah, we will assign a values later, but tell me now. If how do you if first person has to be eldest means, then what it should satisfy?
Greater than or equals to.
Sir, first we
Aye.
have to give the ages, no, sir. In number.
With them we will give. The condition is if first person has to be eldest means what it should satisfy?
Age 1 is greater than age.
Greater than or
age
equal
two,
Less than
Age 1 is greater than age 2.
age 1 greater than age 2.
Age 2.
And age 1 is
and means it should be greater than age 3 also, right?
Yes.
Age 1 greater than age 3, right?
3.
Sir,
That means
Age 2 greater than age 3.
sir, age 1 less than, sir.
less than endukma
Greater than.
greater than hai kada. If age 1, first person age is greater than second person and first person is greater than third person, then you say what you call system dot out dot println. What are you writing? Who is the eldest person here?
Age 1.
Ravi is
N1, right?
N1.
Ravi is
N1 is
Eldest.
eldest, right? N1 is the eldest person, right?
yes.
Okay. Now remember, if this is satisfied, will it come to else part?
No.
No, right? Because if this is satisfied, it will not come to else part. Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, if it is satisfied means then age 1 is Ravi is the eldest person. If it is not satisfied, then it will come to the else part, right? Oh, that means age 1 is not the biggest. Then what must be the biggest?
Age
2
or
age 3.
2 or 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I say else if age 2 greater than age 3?
age 1
Greater than, no, why age 1 again? If age 1 is not bigger, age 1 is eliminated, right, already.
Yes, sir.
No, age 1 is, if age 1 bigger, age 1 is bigger. If age 1 is not bigger, so age 1 is eliminated. Now bigger must be either 2 or 3, right?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Yeah, compare only between 2 and 3. Then what do you write? N2.
Yes.
Eldest. Oh, if that is also not satisfied, then what do you tell?
Age 3 is greater than age 2.
L system of
More than
Three.
3 is eldest.
Eldest, right?
3 is eldest. Yes.
Then if 2 is also not satisfying, obviously 1 is also not satisfied, 2 is also not satisfying, obviously 3 is the
3
eldest.
is okay.
Then again no need write if else if age 3 greater than, no need write condition.
Okay.
If 1 and 2 is not satisfied, obviously third is the eldest, right? Okay. Now let us give some values. Age 1 equal to some 50, age 2 equal to some 34, age 3 equal to some number 45. Now tell me who is eldest here?
Age 1.
Age 1, like Ravi, right? N1. Ravi is eldest, right? Yes, ma'am. It's saying Ravi is eldest.
Yes, sir.
Adhe amma, ఇది age 1 N1 person, N2 age is age 2, N3 age is age 3. So same sequence like that. But N1 is eldest. N1 is what? Ravi. Ravi is eldest, right?
Yes.
Adhe if I take this as, for example, 64. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, is 56 greater than 64?
Yes. No,
False.
62 is
Less
greater.
than false.
62 is
False.
greater.
False, right?
False. Yes, sir.
That means this is,
Less
yeah,
than age 2.
this is not satisfied. Then it will come to the else
Krishna.
part, right? Is 64 greater than 45?
Yes, it's true.
Yes. That means now N2 is the eldest, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's all. Raju is the
Raju
eldest.
is eldest.
And if I take this third one, if I take 75, then age 1 is also not satisfied. Age 2 is also not satisfied. Obviously, age 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like this, that's all. Now, what is this? Double ampersand is and, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So here in this operators, what are the operators we are using? double equal to is comparison, ma? Single equal to is assignment. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Like this double ampersand is and operator. This two pipe symbol is or operator and
Okay.
or like this. Okay.
Plus is.
Yeah, we also have some other operators like plus and minus. Plus means it will increment by 1. Minus means it will decrement by minus 1. Okay. Yeah. So here, if I say int x equal to 10, if I say x equal to x plus 1 means how much x will become?
1. 10 plus 1.
Yeah, x will become 11, right?
Yes.
My x equal to x plus 1. Already what is x? 10, right? 10 plus 1.
10 plus 1,
11.
11.
So x
11.
become 11.
X is equal to
Or you can do like this also. X plus also will do same. Same x plus also will do same.
okay.
Okay.
And if you want to decrease minus 1, you can say x minus.
Minus.
So these are all different operators. Just please observe these operators.
Oh.
Yeah, just observe these operators. No, what is this? Double and or, this increment, decrement is double equal to, greater than, less than. Okay, my operators.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Fine. Now same example. You tell me who is the youngest person? Eldest person you found. Who is the youngest person?
Age 1.
Age 1.
You
N1.
write a logic for this.
If
N1.
age less than age 2,
Same thing. You can write if age 1 less than
Age 2.
age 2
And
age 1 less
age 1
than
less than age 3.
age 3.
system dot out dot
Then you are telling
N1
system
is
dot out dot println.
youngest. N1 is youngest.
Plus
N1 is
Right?
youngest. Yes.
Same. Else if
Age
2
2 is less than
age 3.
system dot out.
Yeah, N2 is youngest.
Youngest. Else system
N3, right?
N3 plus is youngest.
Now when you run this program now, it will display who is eldest and who is youngest also, right? So it is saying Ajay is eldest, Ravi is youngest, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this. So now we are writing if, else if condition like this, right? Yeah, see how you are writing an if condition. Okay. So now like this, you tell me, if I want to take a score of a student. I want to take score of a student. And if the score is greater than 80, I will display grade is a distinction.
distinction.
Yeah, greater than 60 means first class.
Class.
Greater than 50 means second class.
Class.
So greater than 35 means third class. Else
class.
fail like that.
Else.
Yeah, tell me how to do that. So, right, what is the new
Class.
So what is it?
Grade.
Grade, right? Same. We select main method. Yeah. So what? How do you take? I said I want to take a score of a student, right?
Right.
So score means how many variables you take? One variable, right?
Yes.
And the score equal to some number you take, no problem. Then how do you check the condition, man? If
Score
score greater than equal to 80. Greater than equal to 80 means
Distinction.
Distinction.
Plus score.
Yeah, that's okay. If you want to display distinction, comma, score is plus score if you want to display, no problem. Else if
score less than
greater than equal to 60, right?
Okay.
Yeah, system dot out dot println. What is that?
first class.
First class. comma, score is plus score, right?
Yes.
Else if
Score greater than or equals to 50, second class.
C means
Second.
class. Yeah, else if
Score is
score
greater
greater than or equal to 35,
Third
than
class.
30 lakhs.
then you display what you call
Third class.
third class.
L. Fail.
Right, nothing matches, then obviously
Fail.
else.
Fails.
Failed. Okay, that's all right. So like this, you can have a number of if conditions. So see, if you understand, if it is, for example, if it is, for example, 88. If score is greater than 80, it is greater than 80, right?
Yes, sir. Condition is
So
true.
this if is satisfied, it won't come to the else part. Well, it will not execute else, right?
Yes, sir.
Else is executed only if this is not satisfied.
It is fail.
So if I give 78, oh, is it greater than 80?
No.
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 Then it comes to this.
Second.
Is it greater than 60?
Yes.
Yes. Either display first class and come out of it, right? It won't go to the else part again. Yeah. So that's why if you see now what it displays first class, right? Score is 78.
Yes.
And if I give, for example, something like 24, greater than 80, not satisfied. Greater than 60, not satisfied. Greater than 50,
Not satisfied.
no satisfied. Else, right? Yeah. Else, the last else failed, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand how you are writing an if condition?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, like this, even now you take one character. Yeah, I want you to take one single character and display it is a vowel or not. Yeah, take one single character and display it is a vowel or not.
Yes, sir.
So what are vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
So one character means what is the data type?
Can.
Char.
Yeah, char data type.
Yes.
So let us take a char data type.
Vowel.
Vowel example, right?
Yes.
Main method. Yeah, so character data type means char only, right?
Yes.
We have to take char ch equal to some character we will take.
Okay.
Yeah, how do you check whether it's vowel or not? If
If on
Can.
is
it's equal to
A, E, I, O, U, then it will display vowel, sir. If
A,
it is
right?
not-
If it is equal to A, how do you tell? If it is equal to A,
A, E, I, O, U, sir.
oh, you can say A, comma, E, comma, I like that. No.
Okay.
How do you use R? R means what is the operator we are using? This
Oh,
pipe
log
symbol,
line.
right? Yeah, but this pipe symbol is R, right?
Yes.
Double ampersand is AND. This is R operator.
Or.
So equal to A, R
CH is equals to
equal
E
to double equal, right? Comparison. A, E,
Or.
R,
CH
CH
is
equal
equals
to
to
A, I,
or
R, CH equal to A,
equals to
I, O,
or
R, CH equal
is
to
equals
A,
to
O,
U.
U, right? There, if it is A, E, I, O, U, if any of these things,
system
what do you write?
It is vowel.
R
It is a
vowel.
vowel, right? Okay, if you want to display R is vowel, what is that you write here? CH plus is a vowel, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Else,
False.
It is not a vowel. Consonant.
display CH is not vowel, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you save it, run the program, it says R is not vowel, right? Mhm. If I give, let's say E,
Vowel. E is a vowel.
E is a vowel, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but if I give capital E,
No, sir. Again, we have to change.
yeah, I said E is not a vowel, right?
Because Java is a case sensitive.
Yeah, Java is
Yes.
Case
correct,
sensitive.
case sensitive. If you give capital letter A, but we are comparing small letter, right? A, E, I, O. I am saying, same if it is small letter A, small letter E, small letter I, small letter O, small letter U means it is a vowel. But it is a capital letter, right? So what do you have to do now? Maybe you have to write like this: R, CH equal to
Capital.
capital letter A, R,
Capital.
capital letter E, R.
I.
Yeah, you have to write like this, ma. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, A, E, I, O, U. You need to write like that, right? Now, instead of that, say this becomes very lengthy, right? To write like this. Yeah, ma, this is very lengthy, kada?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, instead of that, can we convert this into small letter before comparison?
Sir, equal ignores.
Yeah, before comparison. No. Single character you cannot say ignore. String you can say ignore when you are comparing.
Okay.
Okay, so before comparison, can we convert into small letter?
Yes.
How do you convert into small letter?
ASCII
So
code.
in Java, what are the built-in classes we have seen? Yeah, today also I wrote. What are the built-in classes in Java we have seen? Existing classes.
String.
Yeah,
String is an existing class. Math is an existing class. Yes or not? Hello, math is an existing class, right? String is an existing class.
Yes, sir.
Like that, there is an existing class called character. There is also an existing class called character. Character dot. There is a function what you call, two lowercase. Character dot two lowercase of ch. What it will do now? It will convert the ch into small letters, right? But again, can I store it back into ch? After conversion, can I store it back into ch again?
Yes.
So what does ch has? Ch has converted character, right?
Yes.
Now if you run, what it says, yeah, E is a vowel, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, because we converted into small letter, right? Before comparison. Yeah, what it is doing? Character to lowercase, right? So we are converting and then again storing back into ch, right? Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, so you understood all of you these examples, how we are writing an if condition, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if it is a vowel or not, or the previous example, right? If the grade of a student, right? If grade is greater than 80, score is greater than 80, greater than 60, greater than 50, greater than 35. Else, what to do? Yeah, this if else if conditions like this. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, మీరు కన్వర్ట్ చేశారు కదా స్మాల్ ఈ టు క్యాపిటల్ ఈ దెన్ బ్యాక్ మళ్ళీ అది అవ్వదు కదా సార్
మళ్ళీ అవ్వదంటే మళ్ళీ ద పర్పస్ గా నేను ఇక్కడ ఐఎమ్ కంపేరింగ్ ఇన్ స్మాల్ లెటర్స్, రైట్? సో ఫర్ మై కంపారిజన్ పర్పస్ ఐ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ స్మాల్ లెటర్ అండ్ దెన్ ఐ ఎమ్ కంపేరింగ్ ఇట్.
ఓకే సార్.
So if you don't want to update the existing one, then you should have taken one more variable, right? You should have taken char ch1 equal to.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇక్కడ ch1 కంపేర్ చేయండి, రైట్? ఆల్వేస్. Always you compare with
CH.
But while printing, you print the original character ch, right? But what it will display? Capital letter E, right? Ch is as it is, right? It is a vowel.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so if is what kind of statement, ma? If is a conditional statement, right? All of you, ma, if is a, yeah. So if the condition is true, what to do? Else, what to do? That's all, right? Yeah. So same like, you know, how we have if statement is a conditional statement. If is a conditional statement. Same like that, we have switch case also. All of you know, if is a conditional statement, like that we have switch case. Switch. So what is, how do we write a switch case?
Is number 1.
Switch case. Switch case is also a conditional statement, ma? All of you, switch case is also a conditional statement, okay? All of you, ma, switch case is also a conditional statement. So the switch case we write like this. Switch variable. What do you write? Switch variable. Then we write case value 1, what to do. You write something and you say here what you call break.
Yes.
Case value 2, what to do. We write something what you call
Break.
break. Case value 3, what to do. So we'll write something what you call break. Okay, like this you can write n number of cases. Like this you can write any number of cases. If no case matches, then what is called default. Like this. So if now default is like a else, right?
Yes.
And if no case matches, no case matches, then default, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like this. Is this okay?
Yes.
Okay. No, what is the meaning of this, ma? If the meaning is, if the variable has v1 value, what to do? That is the meaning. If v1 means, what is the meaning? If the variable has this value, what to do? After this is done, exit from this, right? Break is to come out of the case.
Yes.
If it is value 1 is not satisfied, then if it is value 2, what to do? If it's value 3, what to do? Like this we are writing case statement. If no case matches, then default, right? Is this okay?
Yes.
Now tell me the same example, how we write, you know, this vowel example using switch case. Ide vowel example, switch case use chesi, how do you write now?
Which variable?
Switch vowel, right? Okay.
Variable.
Yeah, we should take some same, right? Like same condition like earlier. Char ch equal to some character I can take. Yeah, so if you want to compare it, yeah, it's up to you, right? Whatever you can write. Yeah, tell me how do you write? Switch. What is a variable, right?
Char is equal to
Syntax, what did I say? Syntax, switch. You have to use variable. Yeah, so what is the variable here?
CH.
CH kadamma. All of you, come on, ma, please. All of you, everybody be interactive, not only one or two.
Yes.
Yeah, CH is a variable, right? Switch
Yes.
CH is a variable. Yeah, if the variable has what value? Let's say case A. If it is A, then what do you tell?
Break.
Yeah, so it is a vowel, right? Remember, case A means it's a vowel.
It's break.
After
That is a vowel. And can I say break here?
Yes, sir.
case B.
Okay, so case E, right? E also what do you write? It's a vowel.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then if it is for all these things, the logic is same. A, E, I, O, U. Yeah. A or E, I,
Whoa.
O.
You.
You.
So if it is A means vowel, E is also vowel, I vowel, O, U, all are vowels only, right? If no case matches, what do you write here?
Default.
Default.
Default. So you say what do you write here?
Not a vowel.
Not a vowel.
Not a vowel. That's all. So if you see this program,
సార్ మనం ఇక్కడ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు అని కండిషన్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు కదా సార్.
ఇక్కడ ఏమంటారు ఈక్వల్ టు అని? ఎక్కడ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మా?
గాట్ ఇట్ సార్. ఐ మిస్డ్ వన్ స్టేట్మెంట్.
If condition lo we write equal to. Switch case always what is the syntax I told? Switch case example ela rastamma?
స్విచ్ వేరియబుల్ కేస్ 1 కేస్ 2.
Yeah, switch case ela cheppam the syntax switch variable case value 1 antam. Case equal to రాయం కదా ఇక్కడ. There is no equal to here.
Okay.
Case value 1 అంతే ఇలాగే రాయాలి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు case A right E అయితే that means what did I said? If variable has v1 value అంటే ఇప్పుడు if ch has a value, if ch is a, if ch is e, if ch is I, like that. Okay na?
ఓకే సార్.
So now when we run this program, what it says, yeah, not a vowel, right? Yeah, because you know R is not a vowel.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and if I take E,
It is a vowel.
ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ ఓవెల్.
it is a vowel, right? But if you observe here, you know, okay, for example, if you observe here, for case A, E, I, O, U, for all these things, this logic is same, right? Yeah, but this logic is same, right, for all these things.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, instead of repeating this, we can write like this also. Case A, E, I,
Okay.
O, U, for all these cases.
Okay.
For all these cases, the syntax is same, it is a vowel. Else, default, right? Default, not a vowel.
Yes.
Yes.
So like this, we can do. If now any case if any of these things matches, right? I also it is a vowel only, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So for all these cases, same output. Yeah, like this also you can do. Okay.
Here also we can use that lowercase method.
Then before that you should have converted into lowercase and use it, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ch equal to, you would have told character dot to lowercase of ch, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So first it will convert to lowercase, then you are comparing, right? Like this you can. Okay.
Yes.
In the place of I, if we give default, it will print not a vowel.
ikkadamma
In the place of I, sir.
I am. Yeah, I gave, right, some other character. Let's say some other y. If you give y,
Okay.
is it y is a vowel?
No.
What it says? Not a vowel, right?
Hello. हाँ
Okay.
ताई किती पर्यंत लागते म्हणत होते हे?
Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, Idenamma, your question in place of I, you are asking me to do something.
sir.
Okay. Now let us do one more example. This is okay now?
कारण की नाही मग केली एवढेच पैसे गेले तेवढं आणि आता म्हणत होते किती पैसे लागतात
शीतल?
आता असं तसं म्हणत होते तरी मग म्हणलं जाऊन मग लागले होते.
Hello, Seetal.
हा
Yeah, this is okay, ma? Okay, let us we do one more example. I want to take day of the week. You know, you display if it is 1 means it's a Monday, 2 means it's a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like that. Can you display what is the day of the week based on the number? Day of the week. Yeah, so can you take a variable, right? Yeah, so can you take some variable int n? Yeah, n equal to some number you can take, right? Yeah. Yeah, how do you write a switch case statement for this?
Switch variable.
Switch. What is the
Int.
variable here?
Int is.
Int. Int is the data type. Huh?
Sir.
N is a variable.
N is a variable, right?
Variable, yeah.
N. So what is that case? Case 1.
1.
Case 1 means what is that you write?
Monday.
Monday. It's a break, right?
Oh. It's case 2.
Case 2.
Yeah, we should write
Yes.
Case 2.
2.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Then we
Break.
have break. Case 3.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Then you should write break. Case 4. Thursday. Case 5. Friday. Case 6. Let's say Friday. Saturday, right? Right. Okay, then I'll write case 7 as well as case 0. Any of these two things, can I display Sunday? Then I say break. Then what I can write? Default, right?
Default.
Yeah, I'll write here.
Invalid.
Day of week.
Day of the week.
Please enter number between 0 to 7, right? Can I tell it like this? Now when you run, what is the output? It will display Thursday, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, if I give, let's say 0,
Sunday.
Sunday.
to display Sunday. 7 also Sunday, right?
Sunday.
Yeah, if I give some other number which is 12 something, it says invalid day of
Invalid.
the week, right? Please enter number between 0 to 7. Okay. Now, if you see the previous example and this, you know, if you see here, previous one, for all these cases, same output, right? Case A, E, I, O, U, for all these things, output is same.
Yes, sir.
That's why I did like this. But here, for 1, there is a different output. For 2, there is a different output. For 3, there is a different output. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's why
So we have read separately. But again, see, for these two, it is same, right? That's why we are combining here. Okay.
understood.
Yeah. But other problem here. So for every case, there must be a break.
Mm.
So if there is no break, what will happen? Suppose if there is no break, what will happen?
It will
Con-
not consider the another one.
Case 4, it will display Thursday, right?
It will print Friday also.
After, because 4 is case 4 is satisfied, it will display Thursday. Because there is no break, it will continue for next case also display Friday. Oh, because there is a break, it will stop. If there is no break here, what will happen? Again,
Continue.
it will display Saturday also. So it will continue till it finds break. So what is the output you see now? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? So remember, every case must have a break statement.
Break.
If there is no break, it will continue to the next case also. All of you know, if there is no break, it will continue to. Yeah, come on, ma. If there is no break, it will continue to.
How, sir?
Next.
Yeah, because there is no break, right?
Break.
Break లేదు కదమ్మా.
Yes, sir.
So because break is not there, so it is continuing to the next case also and continuing. It is not doing comparison. It is simply executing the next statement.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I am not comparing, sir.
Not comparing. So till it finds break, it will continue. So that's why compulsory here every case should have a
Break.
every case should have a break statement. After the case is satisfied, please exit.
Sir, switch case line by line check చేసుకుంటూ వస్తుంది sir condition.
Yeah, it will check first case, then it will execute second case, execute like that. It will.
Okay.
Yeah, after case 4 is satisfied, because there is no break, it is not taking this as a case. It is continuing to the next statement till it finds break.
Okay.
Okay. ఇక్కడ బ్రేక్ లేకపోతే అది నెక్స్ట్ కేస్ చెక్ చేయదమ్మా, అది నెక్స్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ లాగా కంటిన్యూ అయిపోతుంది అంటున్నాను.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So every case must have a break to exit from that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So see this example for how you are writing if condition and switch case statement, right? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you take two variables, right? There are two integer variables. No, one variable is length, one variable is breadth, right?
Yes.
Yeah, if both are same, if length or breadth both are same,
It will square.
it is a square, right?
Mm.
Else not a square, right?
Mm.
Yeah. So can you try this small example? Take length and breadth of
Yes.
two variables, right? And display whether it is a rectangular square.
Okay.
Next, take two values. It's a very simple example. Take two values and display which is the biggest, right?
Test.
Yes, sir.
Then which is the biggest, right? If you
Yes, sir.
take, x and y. If x is greater than y, x is biggest, else y is biggest.
Yes.
Next, another thing. A shop will give discount of 10% if the cost of purchased quantity is more than 1,000. Okay. So let us say, for example, you take a quantity. Quantity is, for example, 10 or 12 or 5 or
5 kgs.
one unit cost will cost you 100 rupees. If quantity, if you purchase 11, then the cost is 100. How much it will be total?
11th.
1100.
1100, right? And if the total is? Total is 1100, right?
1100, yes.
So 1100 is greater than 1000, kada?
Yes.
Yes.
So now amount, how much he has to pay?
1000.
1100 minus 10% discount, right?
1000.
Else he has to pay 1100 only. Yes or not?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you understood, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you take some quantity, and suppose 1 unit cost is 100 rupees. Now judge and print, total cost for the user. So total cost is either total cost or 10% discounted, right? Anyone. So try this example. Okay. I think a student will not be allowed to sit in exam. Okay, a student should not take an exam if the attendance is less than 75%. MF, student should not take exam if attendance is less than
75%.
75%. So what you can do, take how many number of classes are held. Okay, you take some classes held. Number of classes attended, right?
Yes.
If a number of classes held is, let's say, for example, for 10 classes, attended classes is only, let's say, 3. Then how much percentage it is? 3 by 10 into 100, right? How do you get the percentage?
70%.
3 by 10 into
Percentage ఎలా calculate చేస్తారు?
3 by 10 into 100. Yeah.
అంతే కదా, number of classes
Yes, sir.
attended by held, right?
Total class.
Yeah, 3 by 10 into 100. How much?
100.
Yes.
30%.
30.
So now you check, is it 30% less greater than 75?
No.
No. So that means not eligible to take exam, right? So will you try an example? Will you try this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So number of classes held you take, number of classes attended you take, and you calculate the percentage, right? If percentage is greater than 75, you say he is eligible to take exam, else not eligible to take exam. Okay.
Yes.
Next. Try another example for a given year, right? Year. So suppose example you take year int year equal to ఏదో year తీసుకో 1999. Okay, or ఏదో year ma, or 2003. Some year ఏదో year తీసుకోండి ma. Yeah, display it is a leap year or not? So what is leap year means?
Divided by 4.
If you divide with 4,
4.
remainder is 0, right?
0.
So you can say percentage, right?
Yes.
Okay. So next another example. For a given age, comma, gender, right? Yeah, for a given age, comma, gender. So if what you call, if age greater than equal to what you call, let's say 18, and gender, right? Gender is male. Yeah. So now eligible for
What?
driving license. A small example, ma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if age greater than equal to, let's say for example 20, and gender is female,
What?
eligible for driving license. Yeah, else not eligible, right? Just a small example, ma, right? So will you try to write a proper syntax, right? You take 2 variables, right? Age and gender, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, age is integer and gender is string.
Yes,
So
sir.
take the variable, check this condition, right? That is under some condition, right? Write proper sentence.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So will you try these examples?
Yes, sir.
And also one more thing, can you? Yeah, we have seen, what is a string class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, string is a class which has methods, right? Length, substring, index,
Uppercase, lower.
uppercase, like that. Methods are there, right?
Mm.
Yeah, there is also a class called string buffer. What else, ma? There is also a class called
String buffer.
buffer. So can you explore and tell me what is the difference between string, string buffer class? So what are some extra methods are there in the string buffer? Student, can you explore that? So what is a string? String already you know, but just can you explore what is string buffer and what it has? Some extra things. Wow, how it differs from string. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yeah. So Emma, are you comfortable to do these examples, or you are feeling any difficulty?
No, sir. It's challenging.
Try చేస్తాం.
No, sir, we will try.
Okay. So, but you spend some time, practice some logic, because when you write a program in your own, yeah, okay, ma. Say you will get errors. Maybe when you are practicing, you may get error. There are some small mistakes you may do. You will get multiple times errors. Don't get disappointed. That is a common. It's all of you. So even if you get error, that is a common. Don't get disappointed. So that is a common thing. Everybody will face the same thing. But again, you explore it. Okay. So again, you explore it. Again, you do it. So then definitely at some point you will understand. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
still lot of difficulty is there. Nothing is understood. Then you can post in the group, right? WhatsApp group is there, right?
Yes, sir. We can
A
discuss.
lot of difficulty you can post in the group. But otherwise, you explore it and you can try. Okay.
Sir, these are wrapper classes. The string classes are called wrapper classes.
Yeah, string is a wrapper class. Yes.
Okay, so what other classes we can say as wrapper classes?
There are other classes, integer, character, but character is a wrapper class. I will tell you those things. I will explain later part, not now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, ma. Yeah, tell me any questions before continuing to next topic.
sir, explicit చెప్పలేదు సార్ రన్ టైమ్ లో వాల్యూ ఎలా చేయి
Edima,
ఎక్స్ప్లిసిట్
explicit.
రన్ టైమ్ లో చేస్తాం కదా సార్ వాల్యూస్
Oh, that you need to understand, because you need to understand class, methods, those concepts you should understand. Then I will tell you. Okay, so you want to give a value during runtime.
Yeah.
Then explicit, dynamically, right? You want to give a value during runtime, right?
ఎస్
Yeah, so that we will see. I will tell you later on when you learn a concept of classes, objects. So once these programming fundamentals are completed, right? Then I will tell you. Okay.
ఎస్
Okay. So all of you must try to understand, first of all, when you want to better learn programming logic, right? So first remember all the syntax, right? Remember all the syntax. For example, yeah, how to declare a variable. How to declare a variable. So what you have to understand? First you have to understand what type of value you want to store, right? First you have to understand what type of value you want to store. Is it integer or a string, or what value you want to store? You need to understand. Yeah, then you should know how to declare a variable, right? How to declare a variable. Okay, so then you also have to understand the data type.
ఎస్
Then
సార్
how many values, to store, right? If the question is okay, but now in this example, how many values we want to store? Age and gender, right? So how many variables we need?
Total.
2 variables. But that too again, age is a number, gender is a
String.
string, right? So we need 2 variables. One is integer, one is string. But in this example, for a given year, I said. So how many variables?
1.
Only 1 variable, right? One variable, because I said only 1 year. That too integer variable is enough, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
in this example, how many variables we need? 2 variables. One
Two.
variable to store number of classes. One variable to store number of attended classes, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So 2 variables of what data type? Integer data type. So like that. So first you should understand how many values you want to store and what values you want to store, what type of data. Then you should know how to declare a variable. Like that. So next, if you want to compare any condition or to check any value or compare,
Or
you know
statement.
how to write if condition, right? How to write if condition, you should know. Then so you also have to, yeah, that's what. So first you should understand the syntax, right? The declaring variable or condition, what you have to do. Plus you also have to remember some of the built-in classes, methods we have learned. But what are the classes we have learned? Like string is a class, character is a class. What we learned, right? Math is a, see, you remember or you learn only things which we are discussing. See, you can't learn all thousands of classes available in Java at a time. Based on that, when we are learning, then you will come to know some more classes. But whatever assignments or examples given will be in these classes only, right? Okay. So please remember some of the built-in classes which we have learned already, like string character what methods are there, remember. So you also should know few mathematical operations, right? Mathematical operations. You should know, right? Like, there is a division, what it will do. So percentage, what it will do. Yes or not?
Multiple.
No, if it is a division, what it will do. Percentage, what it will do. Like multiplication, what it will do. So you should know some kind of basic mathematical operations. If you know, then you can analyze the logic. Okay. For example, any spelling, any English word you want to write, you have to use only one of the 26 alphabets only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, simple English if you want to write, or very hi-fi English also, whatever you want to write. In a newspaper, one editor is writing one news. Editor column English will be very hi-fi English, right?
Yes.
Newspaper, Hindu, Times of India, if you take the editor column, that column they take one topic and they will explain, they will give some information about one single topic, right? That English will be very hi-fi English. But whatever they write, they have to use only the 26 alphabets only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same thing. Whatever you want to write a logic of any of the examples you want to do, you have to use only whatever concepts we have learned or whatever is available, right? You can't get something from outside, yes or not?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what existing things, if you remember the syntax, existing classes, methods, you have to use some of these things and then write a program. That's all, right? Again, always. So whatever we are learning, try to, recollect them again, try to recollect what we have learned in the class every day. So try to recollect and remember them. So then, okay, if you know these things, okay, if you know these methods and classes, the syntax, then you should know, which method I have to use, which condition I have to use, what operator I have to use for this. So then you can come to know, right? So for example, if this is the example given, for a given year, you check it is even number or odd number. Sorry, it's a leap year or not means. You know that every 4 years we'll get a leap year, right?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
that means you have to divide with 4. Oh, if I divide with 4, what I should get? Reminder. Reminder, how much I should get? 0.
0.
If I want to get reminder, means which operator you have to use?
Modulus, percentage.
Right. So that you should remember, right? Oh, I have to use percentage. So for comparison, which operator you have to use? Double equal to, right? That you should know, right? Oh, double equal to 0, comparison, percentage. Oh, that I have to check a condition. Condition means you should know if, right? Oh, if that year percentage 4, if it is equal to 0. So you should know, right? Oh, I have to write if condition. Inside the if, I have to compare it, right? If it is equal to 0, oh, then it is a leap year, else not a leap year. So if you know the if condition, if you know how to write a statement, and if you know these operators, then you can know, right? Oh, I have to use if in the condition, I have to do like this. First of all, if you don't know how to write if condition, if you don't remember how to write if condition, then it is difficult. Yes or not? So if you know the if condition, then you can use the if condition. You can use the operators, basic mathematics, and do the calculation and then compare it, right? Okay. So every day from today onwards, right? Whatever topics we are discussing, try to recollect again. Spend some time, recollect, and then recollect. You know, take a pen and paper and you make a note. What all we learned. Okay, take one white paper and pen and list out what all you learned today. Then you say, oh, what is this? Try to recollect it. So without seeing book or without seeing this recorded class again, make a list. What did you learn in the class today? Try to recollect them.
Okay.
Okay, and each and every syntax you write down. Like that you practice every day. Okay, so tomorrow topics you again write it. Today topics over 10 minutes you try to recollect. Okay, then day after tomorrow, today topic over 5 minutes. Tomorrow topic again 10 minutes. Day after tomorrow topic you do. Every day again revise it from beginning. Again, recollect them. Then it will be injected into your mind, right? You can always remember.
Yes, sir.
But wherever, every time we get a new build, again we do retest, right? Because of the changes, if any side effects are there or not, we will again regression test, right? Again we test, right? Same thing, again, every day. Today topics plus yesterday topic you recollect again. Tomorrow topic, today topic, yesterday topic, again recollect. So then you can again if you are recollecting, it will be permanently injected into your mind. Then you don't forget.
Automatic.
Yeah, this is okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next we need to learn another topic.
Stop the class, sir.
Pardon? Want me to stop the class?
No.
What did you say? Okay. This is the programming what we have written. Now suppose, say when you write if condition, what will happen? If we'll check the condition, if it is condition is true, it will do something, else it will do something and continue, right?
Yes, sir.
But no, sir, these lines of code I want to run. Again, 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 I want to run. So these lines of code again, I want to run. Multiple times I want to run means, then what is that you have to write?
Loop.
Write a loops. Yeah. So what are the loop statements are used for? Loops are used to run the code for multiple times. The loop statements are used to run the code for multiple times. Okay. So do you think that if will run for multiple times? No, right? If what does the if will do? If you only will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute, else it will execute another statement and stop. But loop is not like that, right? Loop is again, it will execute till the condition is satisfied. Run the code for multiple times till the condition is. It will execute again multiple times till the condition is satisfied, right? Okay, no? So like that it will run for multiple times. So in Java, we do have different loop statements. In Java, we have loop statements like while, do while, for
For
each. So these are the 4 different loop statements in Java. Esma, what are the different loop statements? While,
do while,
while, for, and then for each. So these are the 4 different loop statements. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we will discuss. While loop. Let us see the syntax. Okay. So while loop syntax you write like this. While, same thing. What do you write? While
Condition.
condition.
Okay.
You write like this. So what it will do? So loop will run. Loop will run. Loop will run while the condition is true.
True.
Yeah, once false.
Exit the loop.
Once it is false, it will stop. That's all, right? Say it won't give any error. So don't expect that if the condition is false, while the condition is false, it will throw error. No. While the condition is not satisfied, it will stop. That's all. Yeah, understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, once the condition is false, it will stop. That's all. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let us take one small example. Yeah, so let me take, loop example, main method. Let us say I want to display, very simple example. I want to display numbers from 1 to 10. Yeah, so display numbers from 1 to 10. So if I want to display numbers from 1 to 10, so what is initial number?
1, 0.
I said 1 to 10, right? So where it is starting?
1.
1, right? So now how many variables are used to store one value?
1 variable.
1.
One variable. So what data type?
Int.
And how to declare?
Int x is equal to
N equal to 1 initially. Same, n is 1, right, initially.
Yes, sir.
What is the condition? While. What should I no? If you remember, observe the syntax. What did I say? While condition, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the condition? While
N
less
while
than
n.
10. Less than 10.
What is that? Suppose if you write while n equal to 10. Suppose you don't know, right? You are a beginner, so you think like that.
yes, sir.
అలాగే ఆలోచిస్తారు కదా బిగినర్స్ when you are doing programming. Sir, you told me to print from 1 to 10. So while n equal to 10 means continue the program. So what you will try to display? You will try to display n. So ఇలా రాస్తారు program. General గా first time when you are learning a program, you do something like this. But logically you think, what did we said? Loop will run while the condition is true, right? Loop will run while the
Condition is true.
Yeah, if false means it will stop, right? False అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? It will stop. Now tell me, if I say while n double equal to 10, is n is 10?
No.
No. If
N
it is
does
not
not
10, why it will continue? It will stop, right?
It will not print
Means
anything.
nothing is executed, no output. No output, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you should have done? No, not like that. N is not 10. I have to say till n is less than or equal to 10, right?
Yes.
Yes or not? N is?
Less
Less
than
than
or
or
1 is less than 10. Print it. Oh, I should not have told not equal to. I should have told less than 10. Less than 10. What will happen? I will print n. Yeah. So then you are running the loop. What happens?
9 numbers.
It is always printing 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. There is no loop. The program is never stops. Program ekkada stop avvaledu kadamma.
Yes, sir.
So better do one thing. Click on the stop button. There is a stop button, right? Don't worry, nothing will happen. Click on the stop button, right? Program stopped. Arey, what happened? every time ఇప్పుడు n is less than 10 correct కదా? What is n value? 1. 1 is less than 10, so 1 is printed. Next time what is n? N is again still 1 only, right?
Iteration, sorry, increment.
N is again 1 only, so 1 is less than 10 always, so that's why it is printing 1. It's infinity, right? It is
Yes.
infinity. Oh, what you should have done next time, n should become 2, right? Yeah, how to increment it? There is one operator will end, right? N plus plus. Yeah, so n will become plus plus here. Oh, inside the loop. But sometimes, mistakenly you write here. After the loop is over, you write. No, not after the loop. You should write inside the loop, right? So it should print, then it should increment, right? After printing, it should increment here. Oh, n will become 2. Then it will check, is 2 less than 10? Yes. It will print 2. Next, it will become 3. Is 3 less than 10? Yes, print it. Next, it will become 4. 4 less than 10, print it. Like that, it will print till some
9.
number, right?
9.
What it printed 9. But I said I want you to print up to 10.
Less
Less
than
than 10
10.
means up to 9 only, right?
Yes.
So you
Equals
should
to.
have told, oh, less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10. Yeah. So it printed, right? 1 to 10. Yeah, okay. Sometimes you may think mistakenly some logic like this. Sorry, n greater than or equal to 10 means print. Is that n is, what is n value initially? 1. Is 1 greater than 10?
No.
No, that means nothing is executed, right? No loop is executed. So we have to think, right? Logic, oh, the less than, greater than, equal to, what we have to think, you have to understand these operators.
Yes.
So if you understand the operator, if you understand the syntax, then you can write a program, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here it should be less than or equal to 10.
Yes.
Okay, either example, now you tell me, I want to print from 10 to 1. Come on, I want to print numbers from.
Int n is equals to 10.
And
I said I want to print. Slow. Numbers from
10 to 1.
10 to 1. So that means initially what is n value?
10.
Initially 10.
And
Initially 10. But what is the condition while?
N less than or equals to.
ఆలోచించండి.
n is greater than
Greater than
greater than or equal to 1.
Greater than or equal to 1 means continue. Once it becomes less than 1, stop, right?
Yes.
What do you print here?
Decrement n minus 1.
Yeah, you print n value, right?
Yes.
No, once it becomes less than 1, you have to stop, right? So what do you have to write? N?
Minus.
Minus. Yeah, n minus. So here, yeah. So what is n value? 10. 10 is greater than 1 only, right? Print it. Next it will become 9.
9.
Yeah, 9 greater than 1, print it. Like this, right? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Somewhere it will become 0. Is 0 greater than 1?
No.
Stop the loop, right? There should be some condition to break also, right? Remember, the condition what you write should have something where it should exit. And at some point, it should become false, right? If always it is true, then what happens? If always it is true, it will go for infinity, right? ఎప్పుడు ట్రూనే అనుకోండి మా, do you think that loop will stop?
No, sir.
No, it will go for infinity, right? So you need to think, oh, at what point it has to break? At what point it should become false? ఎక్కడో చోట ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలి కదమ్మా.
Yes.
అదే ఆలోచించాలి మీరు. అది గ్రేటర్ దానా లెస్ దాన్ అవ్వాలా, ఎప్పుడైతే స్టాప్ అవ్వాలి అనేది కూడా మీరు పెట్టాలి. Right? So you have to think. If you don't put a logic to become false, if it is always true, then it will go for infinity, right?
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు అన్నట్టు what you are trying to do while n less than or equal to 10 రాశారు అనుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ. If n less than or equal to 10, what happens here? Tell me, is it n 10 less than 10 correct, right? Print it. 9 less than 10, right? Print it. 8 less than 10, 7 less than 10, 0 less than 10, minus numbers కూడా less than 10 కదమ్మా.
Yes.
What happens? Will it stop or will it be always true?
Always.
Is there a condition which will become false? Come on, in this logic, will it become anywhere false?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
will
right?
not.
It will always true, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Always
sir.
true and ఏమైపోతుంది? See,
Yes.
it's going for infinity,
For
right?
infinity,
Minus numbers
yes.
also. Array, something wrong here. Stop the program. Stop change. Always, if something goes wrong, click on this stop button. Terminate it. Then modify the program and again run it, right? Stop it. Because if -1, -2, -3, -4, -10, -100, -1000, all are less than 10 only, right? Yes or not? So you need to give some condition where it has to break. Oh, that means it should break once it becomes once it becomes less than 1, right? Greater than 1 means continue, no problem. Greater than 1 means continue. Once it becomes less than 1, stop. Okay, no? But here, if it is less than 10 means continue. Once it becomes greater than 10, stop. Because we are coming from lowest to highest, right? Yeah, here we are coming from highest to lowest. Okay. Okay, ma, this logic is understood how you are writing if condition?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
While condition.
Okay, let us do one small example for today. I told you should remember the syntax, the logic, and you should remember some of this string, some built-in classes and their methods, right? And some mathematical operations, right? Let me do one small example. Let us do, I'll take a string. Yeah, same thing, same string I'm taking. Can you display all the characters in reverse?
Yes.
Can you display G, N, I, M, M, A, R, G, O, R, P? Can you display all characters in reverse?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to do?
Reverse is equals to
Reverse.
Reverse strings.
No. You should write a logic, right? So you want to read from last, right?
Yes.
Last అనేది మనకి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది?
Length of
Which
the
string function will give me the last?
length of
Length,
String.
right? Yeah, that
One.
means now n should start from length of the string, right?
yes, sir.
Int n
One.
equal to what should I write? Str dot
length.
length, right?
First
Ah.
number.
But again, remember, whenever you take one single character, when you take one single character, yes, ma, when you take one single character, hello,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yeah, that index starts from where? Yeah, caret function will
Zero,
take one
zero,
single
zero,
character, right?
sir, zero.
0. So if you are starting from 0, then last character should be length or length minus 1.
Length minus one.
So here you should write length minus 1. Okay, you don't know. Okay, let it go. If you write like this, what will happen? See, we will see what will happen. If you do mistake, we'll throw error. That's all, right? You need to understand the error and modify the program. Nothing will happen, right? If mistake is there, you understand the mistake and then resolve the issue, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let it be there. Actually, it should be -1. We'll see what error it will throw. Okay, no problem. Okay, we have taken last. Okay, till where you have to continue the loop? Same. What is that? We are taking highest number. We have to write while till 0, ma. Yes or not?
I is less than zero.
No.
I greater.
Length is
I
I greater than zero.
greater than or equal to na?
Greater than or equal to, sir.
Greater than or equal to 0 means continue, right? Once it becomes less than 0, stop, right?
Yes, sir, yes.
I is highest kadamma. Length what?
Yes,
How
sir.
much? Edo 1, 2, okay, 10 ఉంది అనుకో.
11.
11 అనుకోండి. 11 greater than 0 నే కదా?
Yes, sir, yes.
Continue. Yeah, how to take one single character and display?
Yes.
Carrot
Yes,
is zero.
str dot
That is
println.
str dot
What is
carrot.
str dot carrot of I.
Yes.
My str carrot of I will take the one character, right? After that, what should I become? I
Minus.
minus. That's all right. So now you should remember, right? What is the length function? What is the caret? We are taking one character. So run the program. What the error message is showing here? Immediately got an error, right? String out of the range 11.
Yes.
Yeah, initially what is caret of I taking? Caret of 11, right? Actually index starts from 0, but we have to stop at 10 only, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And if now what you should have done?
-1, length -1.
Length?
-1.
-1, right? Now when you run the program, yeah, now okay, you see all characters you got till P, right?
Yes.
So print ln will print always in a new line, right? Ln means new line.
Yes, sir.
But instead of print ln, if you write simply print will print in the same line, right? Now you see you got all in reverse.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, like this, you have to understand length function, because caret, index starts from 0. So the last one will be length -1, right? And till it is greater than equal to 0 means you have to continue. Once it becomes less than 0, stop, right? I think you need to still understand, right? The greater than, less than, I think still you need to understand. Analyze it, think. Okay?
Yes, sir.
ఆలోచించండి. Okay, see the program, observe it and think చేయండి. ఎందుకు ఇట్లా రాస్తున్నాం? Why we are writing greater than? Okay, మీరు అనుకున్నట్టు ఏదో less than పెట్టండి. You see what error you will get. Okay, if you get any error infinity, stop, right? I told you. If it is going infinity, you can click on stop button, right? Terminate it. Okay, then resolve the program and understand, oh, what is happening. Okay. So, okay, let it be here. So till now, what we learned is just while loop we have understood. And then there are other loops, do while loop, for loop, for each. So these loop statements we will see tomorrow. But you can try these examples. What are these examples? Right? This. Okay. So practice those examples and also revise these concepts, right? What we learned. Then remaining we will see tomorrow.